Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to use Kahoot for your classroom. It is a website where you can make learning fun and you can do a game with it. And it's online and it's free, and all you have to do is sign up. I won't go through all that because it takes a little while. So some ways you could use this is if there's a big test coming up and your students are stressed about it, you could play a game for them to review everything to make it a little less stressful. Or if you want to see how much your students know already, and if you want to do a test that way, you can definitely do it like that. So we will show how to do this. So I already have a thing, so I'm going to just log in. And I'm going to create a new one. And you can do jumble, direct answers, you can do surveys, or you can do quizzes. So it's a lot of different ways for kids to learn stuff. So we're going to do a quiz. So create new. We'll do animals and animals. All right. So you want to do who can view this. You can choose only yourself, or you can choose everyone. And you can do your language, English, of course. Here you can upload a picture, or you can do one that's already on here. So we'll do animals. We'll do some monkeys. And then you click OK. So up here you can see your picture and your name and a description about it, and you can see that everyone can view it. And if you want to make a change, you just push this little pen right here for edit. So we want to go to add questions, and we'll do what lives in the ocean. Here you can do your time limit. So we'll do 10 seconds, and you can do points, which are developed as you answer each question correctly. So it will rank kids. Say you have 5 kids, and one kid answers in 5 seconds, and the other kid answers in 45 seconds. And then it will rank that kid who answered it correctly in the least amount of time as in the top. So what lives in the ocean, we'll do an image here, and we'll do a shark. So here you put your answers, so we'll do shark, pig, and land shark. And then you want to click the one that is correct. So we're going to go for shark. And then you push next. And then you can see that it's here. And if you want to edit, you can edit it again. And then add another question. And we'll do what is a good family pet? We'll do 10 seconds. And yes, we'll find a picture. We'll do this. And then we'll put duck, cat, bunny, and let's do frog. And we'll go with cat because that's what the picture is. And then next. And then if you want to keep doing more, you can. If you're done, you push save. And you can edit it, preview it, play it, or share it. So we'll preview it. And this is how it would happen. So you'd enter a game pin. And you push, you can have teams or you can have individual players. We'll do classic. All right. And then on your phone here or your tablet, you would just enter in this game pin. So enter the nickname. And start. You can have as many people as you want playing. All right, so what lives in the ocean? And you have shark, dog, pig, land shark. And then your child will see this over here and it will match whichever one. So we'll do, whoops, time was up. So it shows me 0. People got it right. So then you'll push next. And I got 0 points because I missed that one. And what is a good family pet? Over here, we'll match, and we'll go with cat. And I got it correct. As you can see, there's a little check mark. And next. So then it shows I got 1 out of 2, and this is how many points I got. And then you can get your results, and you can play again or a new game. And that's how you do Kahoot.